Oh, flip! Flip! Hello everyone! I've got this blasted on! Shoot! The worst time to have my audio messed up, you know? Right, why is my camera not working now? Hello! Guys, I've got to tell you that I don't know how to get stuff on. Learn, Nora! Alright. Go underneath my desk. What the actual flip has happened to my camera? What is my... I might plug it in to a to my USB slot on my PC. Just for now. Got a cable here. And then I've got an extension cable now. No idea. Sorry, my camera just is not working. Here you go. I put my hand cam on. You can't see my face, but does it really matter? So this is my camera. Watch I don't break it. This is my mum's. So basically, there's a few ports now. I don't have my stream at buttons. I do actually. Oh, I forgot. I need to play around with things. So yeah. So basically, this is my USB cable. I do not have another USB cable that is long enough. I do. Somewhere actually. This cable will not be clean, okay? Entirely, okay? This will have to be really bad cable management for now until I get the capture card to work. So yeah. I hate these. Here you go. Oh god. Oh god. Sorry, this is just turning into a stream of me trying to fix my things. One of it. Will this pen work and not one of them? Yes, it will. So what I'm going to just do is I'm going to plug this into here for now. This is going to be really bad cable management. Right. There we go. Ow. There's the cable. Right. Now there you go. Now this camera is really good at this is. Now before I change my camera, let me pull my trousers up. Right, my camera's wonky. There you go. Hello everyone, we just spent 10 minutes of the stream fixing my camera. Why? Because I don't know why. My capture card decided to break itself. But yeah, hello everyone. I know I'm in a buttoned up shirt, but whatever. Okay? I want to do some more changes. I want to do some changes to my vertical canvas. Okay? I want to do some changes to my vertical canvas. I need to change my I need to redo my scenes really quick as well. So yeah. Oh, this is working. You're looking at the wrong screen, aren't you? See? So yeah, I got a green screened version of my camera. So yeah. Oh yeah, this can have channel points on as well. But I do have something exciting for you guys. Guys, look at this, ready?
Do a barrel roll.
That did not work. But look at this. So basically, channel points work on your kick or green platform. I can do the Game Boy camera. Let's see. Oh, never mind. It didn't work. I need to fix that. I gotta fix this. Oh, wrong one. I gotta fix this. So yeah. I'll fix out. So today I want to change my vertical canvas, but first I want to add it so effects work on that scene. So yeah, like the instant transmission effect. That works, okay? But like the what's the name? Oh yeah, so now what I can do, I am gonna not use it for Twitch anymore as well, the channel points, because I don't have channel points on Twitch, okay? So yeah, let me just, I'm not gonna remove them, but I am just gonna disable the message, because there's no point of having a message if there isn't any. Do you know what I mean? I'm just going to disable them, okay? I am just going to put it on here. Okay, now, yes, my other monitor's off because I can't be bothered to turn it on, okay? Yes, I'm lazy like that. So, yeah. So, if you want to play around with them, guys, you can. Have fun. StreamerBot supports them now. So, if you go to StreamerBot, it's version 1.0.3. But look at this. The only thing that is missing in StreamerBot, I think, is raids. The only thing I need in here is raid. Oh, no. And predictions, sorry. And polls. That's the only thing I need. And then it'll be perfect. I'm going to ask Nate if, I'm not friends with Nate, but I'm sure he'll do it for me. I'm sure. Do you think he will? Maybe not. But yeah, right. I'm gonna make, so basically, I don't like how this is laid out. So basically, I have to so basically, if I'm doing is this, if I use my global scene and I change scenes, it's kind of doing that, what I don't like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it so every time something wants to be, yeah, it has to show that. So show these two. I might make a group. Okay. I'm gonna group these so I don't have to, yeah. So this is what we call group, global. Okay, so this is going to be called a group called global. So basically, when I want to, I just enable this. Okay, so yeah, I'll note this down. These can stay like this because I don't really care about them. I don't even know if I can group a group. So yeah, this I will need to. I'm gonna transfer this over to here. So all of my widgets are gonna go over here now. So I don't actually need that, and that means I don't need this. Now there is going to be an instance where I will need two. I need to have two. So I need to have no effects, or with effects actually. Okay. And then basically this is going to be without effects. Because basically there's going to be some points where I will be having like, I'm going to have effects and then there's going to be some effects. That will make sense. I just realised, because I actually, you know what, delete that, scrap that. Okay, because actually it disables them in StreamerBot, so it doesn't really matter. So if I don't exclude any, and to be honest, I don't actually need this then. I will need this, and to be honest, I don't think I'll even need this. Do I need this? Yes, I probably do need that. To be honest, I don't actually think I need quite a lot of these. Like scene transition, I don't even need, because I hardly use these. I use these quite a bit. So yeah, I would like to make all of my effects to work on this scene. So yeah, so like this, I'm gonna make it. So like I'm gonna make it so. So let's first of all add a blur. Blur or composite blur. Composite blur. Right, you won't actually, never mind. Composite blur on. Okay, you're not gonna get this because frankly, right. So basically it's gonna be like this, okay? So all the blurs are gonna be 20. Okay? Actually, I do want to see what is on this one. How much is it usually on? It's on 10. I don't know if I should do 10 or 20. Because I'm not going to be using this. Okay? I'll just use 20. Okay? Or this actually, it's going to be renamed to just composite blur. Why can I not use that then? Oh, this is why. Draw. So basically, I am... do I put it up there or do I put this? And then basically, I'm gonna... This is gonna be called... This is gonna be renamed... So basically, I'm gonna do move value. I don't know how well this is gonna go. There you go. Now it shouldn't work. No. Alright. So yeah. That's basically what I wanted to do, because now everything's in this scene, except these, of course. So if I can get in one scene, I'll try and get it into this scene. If that makes sense. So like, if I'm adding a source called like text, I will call it something like DSK. I'll call it global because I don't like putting these hyphens in. Not hyphens. Oh, what are they called? Pipe symbols. Yeah. So yeah, but if it requires like all of these, I'll add it in like this. But then this means it'll be harder to like share with you guys. So yeah. Now then, let's just change some things in StreamerBot. Okay. So basically, I'm gonna do is I won't be able to have this anymore. OBS source visibility global visible 500 500 visible, and copy this, or actually I'm going to be using some coding. So this is basically it. So DSK background, I don't think I'm going to call it DSK background. What am I on? I'm on show. Okay. I'm going to call this DSK. Other scene. That's good enough. DSK. There you go. Just in case, and then where's background? Okay, so I'm going to do this. DSK ever seen, and this is going to be group show filter. DSK ever seen, and then basically this is going to be like this. I know this seems so confusing, but it will look not confusing when I'm done. I just find this quite fascinating to do. Don't judge me. Where it did length expected. $24. Oh, hang on. That kind of makes sense. There we go. Now we're going to hide it. So basically what's going to happen here is basically it's going to happen again. Cut. And then I just got to get the ones here from here. Odd DSK background, that's what it. There you go. I don't know if that will work, but we'll find out later, okay? Instant transmission, we will copy this, paste it in, copy this, paste it in. So it's basically not going to be for long, okay? It's going to be like 5 seconds at least, I think. It could be longer, I guess. This is not meant to be shareable for my setup. If I wanted it to be shareable, I'll make it shareable. Do I bother making this shareable? Nope. I can't anyway. It's off other people anyway. It's off paid websites, so I can't really do that. Nussie's widgets are paid. Some of them are paid, some of them free. You did say, I'm not going to say that because some people might actually beg me to give some away for free. I'm not doing that. Right. I need to get my my Game Boy camera thing sorted. I really think I need to rename all the sources. Like, do I actually rename them to like, oh, do I rename them to, let me go to my horizontal layout. Do I name them like, oh, do I name them like Game Boy camera and then the scene? So like what scene it is and then the end of a scene? Well, for this one, I don't do that, but do you think I should do that? Or should I do Game Boy and then the scene? Because I don't like this right now. I might do that actually. So it's going to be like base. Shall I just do that? I mean, it'll be easier. It'll be easy in the future when I want to add something. I'm not really liking it, but oh well. I mean, it'll be easier to distinguish what one of the what scene it will be in. Like, so I could have just kept them all the same, but just this one coming up. I could have done this one, like Game Boy, like this, and then camera. Because it is really annoying when you just... I'm a picky person, okay? I might call this printout. I don't like screenshot. Like this. So I'm going to rename this and call it that. And then this camera, this one's easy. There you go. Done and dusted. Right, I'm gonna clean up this one really quickly. No, actually I won't. So, what else do I need to do? Now I need to go back into my... Let's go back into the fridge. Get some food. Right, Game Boy, hide. I don't need that now. I need to fix this. Right, is it not making the screenshot? I just realised as well. Is it making the screenshot? No. So let's copy it. Let's copy this and call it screenshot. Okay. So it might actually make it. Right, hey, do I actually need this? Because can I just... So this is my not backup, my directory. Yeah, I'll do this actually. I just sparked in my head. Shall I just do this instead of doing all that cringe like doing this? This is shareable for Nutty. Like he can share this pretty easy, but for me, I'm just gonna change it so it suits me. I'm not going to bother on the other ones. It's just that it might be easier for this. So, right. Now, this is the big one I need to figure out, okay? So, that is it. Now, I've got to go through all of these. And just put Game Boy in front of them. Like this. You see why this does not make sense? I mean, I should have just kept it the same what it was before. Right. Hang on. Just wait for a second. Sorry. Hang on just a sec. Yeah. Yo. My parents just came in and just asked me a quick question, so yeah. Right. Down. So this is gonna be that. Just realised something. This is meant to be called clone.